Alright, today we are going to crimp some wires, and we're going to use these terminals because they are fitted for the light fixture that I am going to be using them on. Use the correct ones. This is a crimping clamp. You also have cheaper versions, but this is the one I have, so I am going to use it. You see, this is just for a light fixture, so it doesn't have to be very heavy. So you insert the terminal in clamp, you insert the wire through it, and then you just crimp the terminal down. Then you have a nice mechanical connection and it will not come loose. Make sure that it is properly pressed down, and you do the same for the other one. This way you don't have to solder and you have some nice terminals you can work with. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a good one, see you in the next one.